Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. So dear viewers, today I am sharing with you in this video very beautiful and very stylish, modern, plain mother of the bride frill bodycon dresses designs. So dear before you will see in this videos new all very attractive and very stylish frill bodycon dresses ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. So you will see in this videos new all very beautiful and very stylish different bodycon dresses designs. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern dresses designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Top stunning and stylish, you will see unique, modern, beautiful bodycon dresses designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video. So this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Marvelous and stylish, you will see attractive bodycon dresses designs. So I have uploaded bodycon dresses, long maxi dresses, skater dresses, skirts ideas. So you will see new all very attractive different dresses designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in this video. So this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern beautiful dresses designs. You will see different colors, different fabrics and different beautiful bodycon dresses ideas. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Top stunning and stylish, you will see stylish bodycon dresses designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And enjoy new all modern bodycon dresses ideas. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new all modern chiffon bodycon dresses designs. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz, you will see very outstanding and stylish different dresses designs